Welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's tutorial, we're exploring the Logo Outline Adder, a free browser-based tool that instantly adds customizable outlines to your PNG logos created by Browserling. Perfect for making your brand logos pop, improving visibility, and adding that professional finishing touch. Open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head to Logo Outline Adder. Just upload your PNG logo in the input editor, adjust the outline width, color, and position in the options. Enable Encircle External Shapes only to outline just the outer edges. Pick any outline color, adjust smoothing, and even add a glow effect for a soft, luminous edge. Now let's check out 3 examples and see how this tool works in action. Example 1. Add a thin outline to the MTV logo. Here's our first input, the classic MTV logo. We'll add a thin black outline around it to make the yellow logo more readable on bright backgrounds. In the options, we set the outline width to 4 pixels, select black as the outline color, and turn on Soften Outline Pixels for smooth edges. Here's the transformed output. The MTV logo now has a neat, bold outline that helps it stand out beautifully. To download the outline version, just click Save As. Example 2. Create a Dell logo with a white outline. For our second example, we're outlining the Dell logo to make it pop on darker backgrounds. We upload the logo, set the outline width to 20 pixels, turn on Encircle External Shapes only, choose white for the outline color, and enable the Soften Outer Pixels for a smooth transition. Here's the before and after. The thick white outline adds a striking contrast and gives the Dell logo a bold, polished look. To save it, just click Save As. Example 3. Add a gold glow to the Rolls-Royce logo. In this final example, we're adding a premium gold glow around the Rolls-Royce logo. We set the outline width to 20 pixels, select gold as the color, and enable the glow effect to create a radiant, soft light around the logo. The result? A luxurious logo with a subtle golden aura that enhances its elegance and exclusivity. Once done, Save As to download your glowing masterpiece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our previous videos on Text-to-Stamp Adder and Translucent Icon Maker for more creative tools. Want to make your own logo shine? Visit online pngtools.com, open Logo Outline Adder, upload your logo, customize the outline width, color, and glow, and download it instantly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick, creative, and powerful online tool tutorials every week. See you in the next video.